Welcome to Best Choice. The Best 6-inch hole saw is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools for any woodworker, DIY enthusiast, or professional contractor, enabling you to effortlessly create perfectly round holes in various wood materials for a multitude of applications, from installing plumbing and electrical fixtures to crafting custom furniture and decorative pieces, making it an essential addition to any toolkit for achieving precise and clean cuts with remarkable ease and efficiency. Number 5. GoSports 6 Heavy-Duty Hole Saw. Introducing the GoSports 6-inch hole saw, designed for durability and precision. Its heavy-duty steel construction ensures it can handle tough jobs with ease. Crafted from heat-treated carbon steel alloy, this tool features a non-binding clean-edge design. It's built to last and perform, project after project. Achieve smooth, even 6-inch diameter holes in various materials like wood, drywall, plaster, and thin metal. Its 7-8-inch blade depth allows for versatile applications. This tool is perfect for your DIY needs, especially for making cornhole boards, installing air ducts, ceiling lights, or speakers. It's built tough for repeat use. It comes ready to use with any 3/8-inch or 1/2-inch drill. The included mandrel and drill bit make it a complete solution for your projects. What we like. This one is built tough with heat-treated carbon steel for durability. Its non-binding design ensures clean cuts every time. If you are working on projects like cornhole boards or need a reliable tool for repeat use, this is a great choice. What people say. This hole saw is a great tool for cutting through wood. It is very sharp and cuts cleanly. The design is simple and effective, making it easy to use. Number 4. KATA 25-piece hole saw kit. This comprehensive 25-piece kit includes a wide range of hole saw sizes, along with all the necessary accessories like drill bits, mandrels, and a hex key. It provides everything you need for everyday cutting projects. Designed for cutting clean holes in wood, drywall, PVC, and thin plastic, this set is ideal for various home improvement tasks. It's perfect for installing lights, speakers, vents, and more. Crafted from heat-treated carbon steel with sharp teeth, these blades ensure quick starts and cleaner cuts. They offer high performance for faster and more efficient work. Everything is neatly organized in a durable, heavy-duty case with designated slots for each piece. This makes it easy to find the right size and keeps the kit safe for storage and transport. For optimal performance, select the correct saw size and maintain a straight drill angle without excessive pressure. This tool is best suited for soft materials and cutting depths up to about 1 inch. What we like. This comprehensive kit offers a wide range of sizes for common home projects. It includes all the necessary accessories in a durable storage case. If you're a DIY enthusiast who needs a variety of sizes for different tasks and appreciates organized storage, this set is ideal. What people say. The hole saw cuts clean and fast. It is a well-made tool that is durable and easy to use. Number 3. HYCHIKA 19 Pcs Hole Saw Kit. Introducing the HYCHIKA 19 Pcs Hole Saw Kit, a comprehensive set designed for your cutting needs. This kit offers a wide range of sizes to tackle various projects. This kit includes 13 different sizes of saw blades, from 3/4-inch to 6 inches, along with mandrels, drill bits, an installation plate, and a hex key for easy setup and replacement. Crafted with heat-treated carbon steel, these blades ensure quick and efficient cuts. They are built to be rust-proof and wear-resistant, promising a long service life. Perfect for soft wood, plywood, drywall, and PVC, these durable blades are reliable for many DIY and professional tasks. Please note they are best suited for softer materials. Everything you need comes neatly organized in a sturdy, compact storage box. This makes it incredibly easy to store and transport your tools wherever your work takes you. You'll receive 13 hole saw blades, 2 mandrels, 2 drill bits, 1 hex key, 1 installation plate, a storage box, and a user manual. Get ready to complete your projects with ease. What we like. This set provides a good selection of sizes for soft wood, plywood, and drywall. The carbon steel blades are heat-treated for fast, rust-proof cutting. If you need a reliable set for light to medium duty home improvement and value a compact, easy to carry storage box, this is a practical option. What people say. This hole saw is great for cutting through wood. It makes clean cuts and is very durable. The design allows for easy removal of the cutout piece. Number 2. DECKRKAT 6TCT Heavy Duty Hole Saw. This 6-inch tungsten carbide tipped hole saw is built tough for demanding tasks. It effortlessly cuts through challenging materials like stainless steel and aluminum with exceptional accuracy. This kit includes a 6-inch TCT hole saw and a spring-loaded pilot drill bit for efficient debris removal. A hex wrench is also provided for secure tightening. With its 3/8-inch 3-flatted shank, it securely fits various drills and power tools. This ensures a stable grip, minimizing slippage during intense cutting operations. The hole cutter comes pre-oiled for protection against rust during storage. Remember to re-oil after each use. Our customer support is ready to help with any questions. Start drilling with the pilot bit at low torque and speed, gradually increasing as you cut. Using cutting oil will prevent overheating and prolong its life. What we like. Engineered for heavy-duty jobs, this hole saw cuts through tough materials like stainless steel and aluminum. The spring-loaded pilot drill bit aids in debris removal. If you frequently work with harder metals or need a robust tool for demanding applications, this TCT option is a strong contender. What people say. This hole saw is a great addition to my toolbox. It cuts through wood cleanly and efficiently, making my projects much easier. I was impressed with the durability of this hole saw. It held up well even after repeated use on tough materials. The design of this hole saw is very user-friendly. It's easy to attach to my drill and the pilot bit ensures accurate starting points. Number 1. TCT Hole Saw Set 6 Heavy Duty Carbide Tipped. This 6-inch hole saw is engineered to tackle your toughest jobs. It cuts through hard materials like stainless steel and plastic with precision and ease. Our kit includes detachable pilot drill bits, allowing you to get the most out of each hole saw. Remember to use lower speed and cutting oil for best results. These advanced hole cutters feature tungsten carbide tips, specifically designed for precise cuts in a variety of hard materials. They can cut depths up to 1 inch. The upgraded, heavy-duty body and carbide-tipped teeth offer exceptional durability. Its 3-flatted shank ensures a strong grip with your drill. Each kit is oiled and comes in a carrying case for rust-resistant, organized storage. Proper maintenance ensures a longer lifespan and sustained performance. We are here to help. If you encounter any issues while using our hole cutters, please feel free to contact us for assistance. What we like. This TCT hole saw is specifically designed for cutting precise holes in a variety of hard materials. It features a reinforced body and detachable pilot bits for extended use. If you need a durable tool for tough jobs involving metals and want the flexibility to replace pilot bits, this kit offers excellent value. What people say. This hole saw cuts through wood cleanly and efficiently. The sharp teeth on this saw make for smooth, precise cuts. It's a durable tool that holds up well to repeated use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.